Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited SE6 with 11,429 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. The SPYDER is a versatile vehicle offering thrilling performance and long-distance comfort on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine with a 6-speed transmission, the SPYDER produces 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and weighs in at 1,012 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.